Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For those who are new here, I'm Liliana, and in today's video it's a beautiful buttercream sprinkle cake. So if you guys want to see how I made this, it's a new trend going on. It's a new technique that people have been using, and I love it because it really smooths out all the edges instead of having those sprinkles sticking out, which is pretty also, but this is another way of doing it. So if you guys want to see how I did this, keep on watching. But it's super important that, because many of you were asking me questions on other videos, and it's okay because I've been asking you to ask me questions, no problem, but many of those questions are actually answered at the end of the video. So it's very important to watch the entire video, and at the end, that's where I give all my explanation and what I use and how I went about. The step-by-step is at the end. So watch that, and a lot of also of what I use is in my description box down below. Like all the links and all of that is in the video, the description down. So you will find where I bought my stuff and the links of other videos. If I mention the videos, many of you guys were asking me like, what's your buttercream recipe? The buttercream recipe is in the description box of almost all my videos. And yeah, so if you guys want to see how I made this, well, keep on watching. So basically this cake was a 6-inch cake and I did my normal. What I mean by that is that I did my crumb coat, pop it in the freezer 5-10 minutes, and then did my second coat. I used white buttercream for this because I really wanted the colors of the sprinkles to pop. So I did that, and then using a bowl, I mixed in the beautiful sprinkles that are from Sweet Apolita. By the way, I will link the link of Sweet Apolita, and you can also use my code. So it's Liliana Springs 15 for 15% off the entire website. I only use Sweet Apolita. They're like, it's amazing quality. The product is really nice, and they come up with new stuff for new seasons and all the time. So yeah, this is my go-to. So if you guys want to see their website, go ahead and look at that. And basically what I did is, yeah, I just mixed the colors that I wanted for the theme that I was going for. So you just mix your sprinkles with your buttercream until everything is nicely like incorporated or mixed, and then you go ahead and then you cover your cake. This is why I do the crumb coat, because I don't want to waste these, because they are, you know, they're not cheap, so you don't want to like waste them. So do your crumb coat first of whatever color base that you chose. So I went with white, so I did my crumb coat in white and my second coat in white. But if you're choosing blue or pink, like choose your crumb coat that color, so like that, like it would make sense when you're adding the sprinkles, if that makes sense. So anyway, I went ahead and covered the entire cake, and then with my scraper gently removed until everything is nice and smooth. A little trick that I have is that don't overdo it with the scraping. You scrape it off, and then a little trick is that I pop it in the freezer and then I bring it back, and then I go ahead and then scrape it one last time with my hot spatula, and I think it's going to be smoothed out. And that is it, guys. And then you can do whatever you want at the top. You can put a beautiful flower for like a pop factor, or you can add like little ice cream cones. You can do a drip on the side, chocolate. Really, it's all up to you. But the technique of the sprinkles, I really love it. Don't know who invented it. I'm very sorry. I would mention it in the video, but I have no clue who did it. But who did it is genius. If ever you guys know who did it, like just put it in the comments so that everybody knows. But yeah, I really like this technique, which is another it's nice also to put the sprinkles on the side of your cake or in an area. It's nice too. It's very pretty, but I find that this, because everything is nicely and smooth out, it gives another effect, and it actually is more elegant. So the other way, it's more like for kids example. So that's my opinion on it, but I really like it, and I hope you guys enjoyed it too. So if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell button so you get notified of all the videos that I put up. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.